Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make banh mi. This is a very popular Vietnamese breakfast. We can eat with pork or beef barbecue, but today I want to make with pork barbecue, and this recipe is so easy and so good. So I can't wait to share with you guys. And if you want to know how I make this step by step, stick with me. To make pork barbecue, I will start with 1 teaspoon of barbecue powder, 1 teaspoon of MSG, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. And I will marinate them very well and set them in the refrigerator for a few hours. And a few hours later, I will start to cook them. And I'm gonna cook about a few seconds. About like 10 seconds before I flip them over to other side, and as you can see here, they should be a little bit brown. And I will cook with 1 liter of water for 2 hours. Meanwhile, I will start making carrot pickle, and I'm gonna add 1 cup of boiled water, half cup of vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar, and blend them very well and set aside for a few minutes. And I will prepare the cucumber and salad. You should cut them very long and thin so you can easily add them in banh mi. And now I will slice the pork barbecue. You should slice them very thin. I will start making banh mi, and I will cut the banh mi from the middle and take the meat out from the bread so that we have more space for the ingredients. And I will apply the batter on the bread and start adding a bit of salad and 1 slice of cucumber and maybe 3 to 4 slices of pork barbecue. And add the carrot pickle and add a little bit of mayonnaise, and I'm gonna add some soya sauce for taste with a little bit of chili, and finally garnish them with coriander. They are done. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, do not forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.